Okay guys, now on my phone, remember guys, I want to show you guys how to create a thumbnail. So guys, let's get into it. Let's jump on it guys now. So what I'm going to do guys, I'm gonna go to my phone, and then I'm gonna choose one picture. For example, like I'm gonna make like a one thumbnail guys, a beautiful thumbnail guys. So what I'm going to make, okay, here I am here. Okay, I'm gonna make a thumbnail using my brother's picture. Yeah, my brother's picture. I'm gonna be like okay, I'm gonna make it dark guys. I'm gonna make it dark because I love dark pictures. Yeah, I think this one is good. I'm gonna make it dark and then I save guys. So you're gonna change the color using your gallery. You can do that. So I'm done doing it now. So I'm gonna go to all pictures. Okay, I've saved it. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna use this app guys to create a thumbnail. Where is the app? Okay, the name of the app guys is background, but I'm gonna leave the name of it on this video so that you're going to download it on Play Store. It's available on Play Store. You can go on to Play Store and download. So we're gonna come like on this app. It's background eraser. Yeah, this background eraser. So you're gonna download it on Play Store guys. Come on, the ads. Okay, I'm gonna click where there's a plus sign, and then I'm gonna click here. I need that picture. Okay, I've clicked the picture. Here we are. It's going to remove the background. Look at it. Wow, now the background is removed. The background is removed, as you can see. So after that, you're gonna come here, and then after that you're gonna click here. So the ads. Okay, so we're gonna come like here and choose the background that you want. For the purpose of the video, I'm gonna be maybe choose this one. After that, I'm gonna come here. Okay, so after, I'm gonna come here where they say canvas. What this basically do, when you click it, it will come here. And remember, we're doing a thumbnail, so we're gonna choose like, not here, not there. We're gonna choose here where they say YouTube. So when we choose there, this is the thumbnail. This is the thumbnail, as you can see here. So after that, you're gonna choose this one. Okay, now we're done. So gonna be like maybe doing it like this. So after, we wanna put an outline. Gonna click here. After that, we're gonna come here, as you can see guys. So I'm gonna make it like, choose a color for it. Black is bad. What about blue? So we have blue here. I'm gonna choose blue. Yeah, I think this one is cool. So I'm gonna choose a shadow. As you can see, I'm choosing the black shadow. And then I don't like the outline. Let me change the outline a little bit. Okay, I think this one is going to be cool. So okay, I'm gonna put a text. Remember, I'm on how to make money niche. So for now, I'm gonna, it's just an example, guys, but you can make a thumbnail, any thumbnail that you want. This is the example, because I'm always doing like thumbnail like this. Make 400 rand or dollar, it's up to you. This is an example, guys. You can make a thumbnail that any thumbnail that you want in a niche that you are in every niche. Like in every niche you can make a thumbnail, guys. So I mean South Africa, online 2022 or in 2022. No, this is not the best title. How to make money online in South Africa. Yeah. So I'm gonna choose a South African. Okay, I'm gonna put this here so that the title will be. So as you can see, guys, I'm sure you are following. I'm sure you're following. Okay, I'm gonna put a little shadow on my thumbnail. As you can see, guys, I'm just showing you the right way, guys, to do this. I'm gonna make it like this a little bit. Okay, how to make money online. Let me put in South Africa here so that it will be readable in South Africa. As you can see, guys, this is not a beautiful thumbnail, but as you can see, guys, that like everything is automated. Like I'm already done doing the thumbnail. It's easy as this one, guys. It's easy as this one. So if you wanna maybe change the background, you can come here and change. Look at this, guys. This is the beautiful thumbnail, guys. Look at this. So tell me what kind of color do you like on this thumbnail that I made just right now. Just comment down and tell me the color that you like here, so that I will know how many people like the thumbnail, guys. So guys, please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, so that each and every time when I drop videos like this, guys, you're the first one to get it. This is the beautiful thumbnail, guys. This is the beautiful thumbnail, guys. Wow. So okay, I'm gonna put like something like maybe making this short. Okay, no experience, no investment. Yeah. Gonna choose a font. No experience, no investment. As you can see, guys, I am done with my thumbnail. You don't need to make like a thumbnail to be complicated. Just make it simple, guys. Make it simple. Don't make it like to be more complicated, because people won't click your video. As you can see, guys, this is the beautiful thumbnail, how to make money online in South Africa. No experience, no investment. Basically, some people will come and click on this one just because the thumbnail looks good. So let me show you other thumbnails that I made. Look at this one, guys. Look at this one. It's cool, it's cool. So you can make thumbnail like this, guys. It's easy, guys. It's easy to make thumbnails, guys. It's not that difficult, guys. It's easy. Look at this one. This is the thumbnail that I made. It's a beautiful thumbnail, guys. It's a beautiful thumbnail. And look at this one. It's a beautiful thumbnail too. Yeah, guys. So guys, please make sure you subscribe, guys, and hit the notification bell so that each and every time when I drop something like this, be the first one to get it. Yeah. See you on the next video. It's your boy TMK. Look at the thumbnails that I made. Your boy TMK. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video, guys. Yeah.